Hello friends, you're watching Yoga with Meghna and today we'll be practicing Yoga for Beginners. So are you ready to practice? So before we start, choose any comfortable pose. This is cross leg, normal cross leg. It's also called Sukhasana. Okay. Now interlock your fingers. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Now inhale center and exhale to your right side. Inhale center, exhale to your left. Inhale center, exhale to your right. Inhale center, exhale to your left. Inhale center. Now drop your right palm here to the floor. Gently give lateral bend. Hold this pose for a few seconds. Keeping your knees relaxed. Okay. Now gently change. Inhale and exhale. This is the lateral bend. And release. Okay. My left palm, my right knee, my right palm back. Exhale and give a twist. Look back. Inhale center. Right palm to your left knee. Left palm behind and exhale twist. Once again. Left palm to your right knee and exhale, give a twist. Inhale center, right palm to your left knee and give a twist. Release. Now, walk your palm forward. Those who are comfortable, you can go down. Now from here, move to your right. Inhale center and move to your left. Inhale center and back. So far good? Okay. Now we'll do cat and camel pose. It's also called Majari Asana. So maintain gap. Maintain gap between both your knees. Forearm gap between both your palm and one palm ahead. Remember, knee hip in one line, wrist shoulder in one line. So inhale, chin up. Exhale gently, chin down, change your collarbone. Repeat the same. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it slowly. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay. Now we'll be doing mountain pose. Take your palm forward, tuck your toes and lift your hip up. Keep bending your knees so that your spine can be straight. Now from mountain, we'll move to Cobra Pose. Drop your knees first, drop your abdomen, toes out and open your chest. Once again, slowly move to Parvatasana. From Parvata, Bhujanga. From Bhujanga to Parvat. Now from Parvata, slowly take step forward, walk forward, interlock your fingers, inhale, move move your hip forward. Give gentle back bend. Exhale, knees bend. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now slowly release. Now Talasana. Join your heels together. Interlock your fingers. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And gently release. Now hip rotation. So spread your legs, palms at your waist, and start making a big circle. Now reverse. Relax. So now we are done with warm up. So let's move to Asana practice. So spread your legs. We'll be doing Trikonasana first. Check that both the heels are in one line. Your hip, chest, shoulder facing to the front. Now take your right toe out. Inhale. Exhale and grab your shin bone. Check that you both the hands in one line. Maintaining conscious breathing and hold this pose for a few breaths. Inhale up, right toe in, left toe out. Check your hip, shoulder facing front. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale up, bring your left toe in, reduce the gap and come back. Now we'll sit in Vajrasana. Let's move to Parvat and then we'll move to Virabhadra one. Parvatasana, you know, palm forward, tuck your toes, hip up to the ceiling. Stretch your spine, stretch your arms. Now bring your right foot forward. If you're somewhere half, it's okay. Take your palm support and move your right foot forward between both your palms. And slowly come up, spine straight, palms to heart center. If you're comfortable, stretch. If you're comfortable, gaze your thumb. Keeping your left knee straight. Hold this pose for a few breaths. Now gently drop your palms back to mountain and slowly pedal your heels. Let's change. Left foot forward. Balance yourself. Palms to heart center. Inhale. Slowly come back. Now from mountain, let's rest to Makarasana. Heels in, toes out and drop your chin down. Now, bring your feet together. Take your palms next to your chest. Now we'll be doing Bhujangasana, Cobra So inhale and lift the chest up. Shoulders relax and breathe naturally. Gently release and drop your forehead. Next, Shalavasana. Take your palms under your thighs. First we'll be doing Ardha Shalavasana. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Once again, inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. If you're comfortable, let's take your both the legs up and hold. Inhale up and breathe naturally. Exhale down. Very good. Take the palms back. Rest again in Makarasana. Now slowly back. Lift yourself up and sit to Vajrasana. Now we'll be doing seated forward fold. So for that, unfold your both legs. Sit straight. If this position is not comfortable, bend your knees. Now inhale up. Open your chest. Exhale. Paschimottanasana. And look flat. Shoulders are relaxed away from your ears. Breathe consciously. Inhale and back. Okay. Now, bend your right knee. Moving to twisting. The right heel outside your left knee. So, the right palm going outside, somewhere back, behind. Now, inhale and hug your right knee. And give a twist. Inhale center. Let's change the side. Now bend your left knee. Left heel to the right side. Left palm back, behind. Give a twist. Exhale. And now hold. This is seated twisting. And release. Okay. Now, join your feet together. Keeping your spine straight, shoulder open, and keep flapping your knees. This is called Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Okay, now take your palm to the floor. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest. Just try to come forward. Okay, this much is okay. Just stay here, hold, breathe. If you're comfortable, you can walk your palm forward. If not, stay there, no problem. And slowly back. Very nice. Okay. Now one more pose. So unfold, stretch your leg, bend your knees, spine straight, grab your calf muscles and hold. This is called board pose. Okay. Avoid this. Open your chest, spine straight. Those who are comfortable, try to release your hand support. If you are comfortable, you can keep your knees straight. Gently release. Okay. Now, lie down. Moving to supine pose. First for a few breaths, just relax. Now join your feet together. Turn your palms towards the floor. Now as you inhale, just lift your legs up to 10 degrees. Inhale up and stay. Keep breathing. Exhale down. Very good. Next round, 30 degrees. Inhale up. Stay, keep breathing. Exhale down. Very nice. One more. This is the last one. Inhale, lift at 60 degrees. Try to see your toes here. Okay, gently release, relax. Now bend your knees. Setu Bandhasana. Now, as you inhale, keep moving your hip up and squeeze your shoulder. Roll your shoulder. Interlock your fingers and stay. Chin to your collarbone. Keep lifting your hip higher. Great. Now gentle release. Hug your knees. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Now stretch your arms. Bring both the knees to the right side. Knees close to your right armpit. And turn your face to the left side. Touching side. Now stretch your legs one by one. Keeping your eyes closed. And relax. Observing your breath. Hope you liked today's session. It was completely for beginners. So keep practicing and please share me your experience. And hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.